tell you, I should have mentioned, if for this hyperbola eccentricity was e squared equal to 1 plus b squared by a squared, for this e squared was 1 plus b squared by a squared. B is the semi-conjugate axis, A is the semi-transverse axis. Then the eccentricity of its conjugate, EC. A and B have also got interchanged. B is my semi-transverse axis now, A is my semi-conjugate axis. The eccentricity of this is going to be 1 plus A squared by B squared. These are the eccentricities of the hyperbola and its conjugate. Hyperbola and its conjugate. Now some simple algebra that you see is E squared minus 1 is what? B squared by A squared. EC squared minus 1 is what? A squared by B squared. Isn't it? EC squared minus 1 is A squared by B squared. E squared minus 1 is B squared by A squared. This product is 1. Do you see that? So that's a relationship between the eccentricity of a hyperbola and its conjugate. This is the relationship between the eccentricity of a hyperbola and its conjugate. Right? Also, otherwise also you can see what is 1 by E squared. 1 by E squared is A squared by A squared plus B squared. That's 1 by E squared. What is 1 by EC squared? 1 by EC squared is B squared by A squared plus B squared. Yes or no? If you add the two, what do you get? 1 by E squared plus 1 by EC squared is 1. So another way of looking at the relationship connecting the eccentricity of the hyperbola and its conjugate. Right? Make sense to all of you? Huh?